Ano ba to? 3 weeks lang po. 3 weeks lang. Bakit ang nangyari? Hi, Cadence. Please enday me. Wait, tapusin ko lang panoorin si Sikoy Araceli. Nakalimot ko ang password mas nang palitan ng anak ko ang email. Talaga? Ganun ba? Nako. Ha? Berting, I don't know. I don't know you. However, I just to say hi and how are you from Dumagat. Oy, Inglesero. Oy, makita mo naman yan sa sa Google yung yung password. I am from Argentina, Giovanni. And you? Ah, okay. You're from Argentina. Wait, Giovanni. I'm here in Philippines. Then next ko panoorin si Enday May. Wait lang. Ay, Lucy Warren muna, si Lucy Warren. Yan po sa nakapinhos from Cadence. Oy, Kiagos, please. Can you return it back to Cadence? Likewise, Berting from Dumagat. Puro man itong mga Inglesero tong nandito. Lucy, watching. Zena enjoying her Chibon treat. Magtanawaan ko ni Lucy. Why not Joseph Wambora? Support me, my love sister. Oy. I am fan Manny Pacquiao. Ah, okay. You're the fan of Manny Pacquiao. Why not Joseph? Wait, wait, please. I will check your channel first before I give you jacket. I am from Africa. Oh, you're from Africa. Okay. Wait, I will check your channel before I give you jacket. You came from Africa. Okay, I will give you. Wait, I am a little lost getting into the chat with vloggers. You are drinking coffee? Yes, I'm drinking coffee, Giovanni. Why not, Joseph? I will give you jacket. Ano ba yan? Uy. You have jacket na. You have moderator. Why not, Joseph? Coffee, okay, yes. Sunod kong panoorin. Dumagat! Nandito ko Dumagat. Dumagat! Watch ako sa video mo. Tusok muna ako sa premiere mo, Dumagat. Si Dumagat. Sino pang baba ng bahay? Magbaba ako ng member ko dyan. Baba lang kayo ng bahay. Oy, Dumagat watching here ha. Fish on landed milk fish. Oy, milk fish. Dumagat. Watch ako nasa harang pa. Let's drink coffee. Wala siya gift. Kiagos, are you still with us? Nandiyan ka pa ba, Kiagos?